Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay and doing well and enjoying the life with your sweet family and sweet friends like me. I'm also good. I'm also perfect. Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. It's all our amazing and fantastic ideas about beautiful, cutest and amazing collection. Okay guys, today my focus is very prettiest, very attractive ideas, cutest and stylish ideas, top trending fashion and top stylish fashion, short pixie hair cutting ideas and hairstyling ideas. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all our fantastic, it's all our cutest ideas about beautiful short pixie. So guys, don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all our fabulous and fantastic short pixie for girls and ladies. Okay guys, I must suggest if you are watching first time my video, then I must suggest you must watch my video till the end. It's all our amazing, highly requested ideas, top trending fashion and top stylish fashion about beautiful short pixie hair cutting ideas and short haircut ideas and designs. Wow, if you are watching first time my video, then follow my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos, tips and ideas. It's all our fantastic, it's all our beautiful and stylish ideas. Short pixie. Trending fashion, latest fashion and amazing fashion about short pixie hair cutting ideas. Wow, if you are watching first time my video, then please visit my channel. You can get many more ideas like short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie also. It's all our fantastic and fabulous ideas about short pixie. It's amazing and lovely hair cutting ideas for ladies and girls. So my dear friends, what you want to see in the next video, please feedback me in your good words, good comments. It's all are about short pixie hair cutting ideas. It's latest ideas for beautiful ladies, for beautiful girls. Well, you can easily try these all beautiful short pixie on your own hair. And you will so happy when you try this beautiful short pixie. It's fantastic and fabulous ideas about beautiful short pixie, long pixie. Wow, it's fantastic and fabulous ideas, short pixie hair cutting and hairstyling. If you are a uni girl, if you are a college girl, if you are a working woman, office lady, house lady, You can easily try these all beautiful short haircut ideas, and you will be so happy when you try this beautiful short haircut. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video. Okay guys, you can easily try these all beautiful short pixie on your own hair. It's all our trending fashion, fantastic fashion ideas, short pixie, long pixie. When you visit my channel, you can get many more ideas like a long pixie, short pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie. And when you more and more visit my channel, you can get many more ideas like long bob, short bob, graduated bob, inverted bob, stacked bob, blunty and blunt bob also for ladies and girls. And for those ladies who love to apply these all beautiful haircuts ideas and hairstyling ideas, hair designing ideas. Wow, it's amazing and gorgeous look when you try this beautiful short pixie. You look like a beautiful girl. You look like a modern and model girl also. It's fantastic and fabulous ideas. A cute short pixie, long pixie. So my dear friend, what you want to see in the next video, please comment me in comment section. You can easily try these all beautiful short pixie in wedding ceremony, any function. If you are a uni girl, college girl and uni college functions, you can easily try and apply these all beautiful short pixie on your own hair. And you look like a beautiful girl, like modern and model and also celebrity, because all are celebrity like these all beautiful and apply these all beautiful hair cutting ideas on their hairs. When you more visit my channel, you can get many more ideas like beautiful golden hair, brown hair, purple hair, also highlights with beautiful purple and silver and gray color. So please guys, don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friend. It's all our fantastic and fabulous ideas, cutest ideas and short pixie hair cutting and hairstyling. Okay guys, now we have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching. Please don't skip and don't go. I'm going, but please don't skip my video. Watch my video till the end, because in this video 70 plus pictures for you, different style and different designs with pixie haircuts. Okay, I must suggest watch my video till the end. Goodbye.